2 weeks have passed since the Eagles' successful visit to Wembley Stadium. And now, the second half of the 16-act drama is about to begin. Good evening, everyone. Merrill Reese and Mike Quick welcoming you to Lincoln Financial Field for Sunday Night Football. Tonight, the 4-4 Eagles meet the 3-5 Dallas Cowboys.
Sunday Night Football gave the Eagles the opportunity to honor the nation's veterans with their salute to service.
Fellas, thank you for your service. Thank you for your service.
Adding to the pageantry, former President George Bush joined the ceremony with former First Lady Laura Bush. The Eagles, wearing all black, entered the game looking to change the fortunes that found them without back-to-back wins all season. After both teams went 3 and out on their first possessions, the Eagles were the first team to blink.
Wentz in the gun. Wentz takes the snap, he's back, steps up, he lets it go, and it's intercepted. It is picked off, and running with the football across the 50, the 40 is Van Der Esch. Van Der Esch picked it off, and Carson Wentz throws his 3rd interception of the season.
Philadelphia's defense held Dallas to a field goal. The Cowboys then added another 3 points before the Eagles were able to get on the scoreboard.
This is 56 yards, folks.
Let's go, Jake.
The ball is spotted. The kick is away. It is a line drive, and it is good! He's got it!
Oh, good shot, Jake. Great shot, big fella.
Dallas quickly drove down the field and answered with a touchdown. The Eagles went into the locker room trailing by 10. But the team came out for the second half ready with adjustments on offense and quickly found themselves in field goal range.
Here is a 26-yard field goal attempt. Spotted, kicked up, and it is good.
A missed field goal by Dallas set up Philadelphia for their first touchdown.
First down, Wentz looks, he floats it. Jeffrey makes the catch, back shoulder catch, up across the 45 at the 47. He's back, he's looking, he fires, he completes it, he's got a first down. Jordan Matthews out of bounds at the 38. Wentz on first down, fakes, looks, fires, complete, touchdown! Zach Ertz.
The Cowboys drove the field and quickly regained the lead. It was once again the Eagles' turn to answer back.
Wentz takes the snap, he fakes to Adams, he backs up, he's going deep, he wants Aguilar, who's got it at the 10, and he's down to the 6. What a play! Wentz looks, fires, touchdown!
Todd, feed the man. Todd, let's go. Freaking go. That's what I'm talking about.
The script repeated itself as Ezekiel Elliott crossed the goal line. The Eagles, trailing by 7, now faced a 4th down in Cowboy territory, and they called on their most dominant tight end.
4th and 7. Wentz in the gun. Wentz back. Wentz looking. Wentz fires. Leaping reception, but short of a first down.
With all of their timeouts remaining, the defense held the Dallas offense to a punt. Philadelphia would get one last opportunity.
There are only 15 seconds left. Do the Eagles have a miracle somewhere? Wentz back. He steps up. He looks. He is firing. Complete. Spinning to the 4 is Ertz. 3, 2, 1. The ball is loose. The game is over. The game is over, and the Cowboys win.